What's going on, traders? It is January 22nd, 2024. It is 12:19 p.m. It is the professional trader here back again with another video. It's Monday, but I've taken a trade kind of early in the markets, so I kind of wanted to go over why I took the trade, how I'm feeling about the trade, and kind of just giving a overall brief review on the Forex markets and how things are looking so far. So the trade that I took is USD CAD. On Sunday, I talked about how I still like USD CAD potentially as a buy. So as the markets have opened back up, we see we've kind of made this lower high. Yes, it did close impulsively, but we did close right back into that once resistance area. It wasn't the cleanest looking retest, but I still like the overall buy, right? And as the markets opened up, we see that we closed above this previous high resistance right over here, right? We closed back above that, right? And once we closed back above that on the 4 hour, I went ahead and took a buy on this 4 hour candle right here, right? With my stops just below here. So I'm risking about 41 pips, looking to potentially try to trail this back to these highs, which is 173 pips. So pretty good risk to reward ratio. So far, right, it's looking pretty nice, right? You know, th more than 3.5 hours until this candle closes. But if this candle does close bullish, then that's a very good sign that this market will continue to go to the upside. Another trade that I'm in, I didn't take it this week, but I've been in it since last week, like last week Thursday, is Euro USD. Um, it's not looking the best right now, right? I entered somewhere right here, right? And as you can see, when I entered, right, really no momentum, right? I entered and then nothing but bullish momentum. But the only reason why I'm not closing out of this trade yet, even though it doesn't look super bearish, it doesn't look super bullish right now, but we did break below these structure lows right here and we see that this area has rejected once, and then as the markets opened up, we rejected a second time, right? So from a price action standpoint, the fact that it's still rejecting, this one support level still looks good. We did have some bearish momentum, but that last 4 hour candle, right, couldn't continue. But just want to see as the markets open up, right, are we gonna get that bearish momentum or will we get that break, back above here, right? And we're just gonna have to see. But right now, what I'm looking at for Euro USD is I want to see if we can break below this 1.8803 level. And if we can, then I think the trend will at least continue back to these lows right here, right? And then we'll see if we can break, these lows right here. So that's my idea on Euro USD. I'm still in this trade, just want to see which way it's gonna go. But if I get stopped out, then I get stopped out. My stops are just right above this resistance level right here. AUD USD is looking like a potential trade on, to the downside potentially, if that DXY strength can continue. But just, the risk reward isn't the best. So that's why, I'm not taking it. GBPUSD is an interesting one because, I did say that I would be looking for buys if we made this new high right here. But as quick as we make this new high is as quick as, we've kind of closed right back below it. So not really looking, for the buys right now, not really looking for any kind of sales right now. To me, the chart is it's kind of just all over the place. So, personally, I'll be staying away. But, if that DXY strength does continue, then this more than likely will go down. USD JPY not watching, Euro JPY not watching this. Uh, Euro AUD is looking potentially like a good setup. We still have a lot of time before this daily candle closes, but if this daily candle does close bullish, then there's a nice potential opportunity, in my opinion, to try to continue this from a bullish perspective, with a stop, just right below here. And then, maybe potentially going back to these highs right here. But, it's a daily setup, but go on the 4 hour, excuse me. Right? We kind of just tighten this up. But yeah, pretty good risk to reward. in my opinion. Yeah, stops just, right below her. So about 70 pips, but that's about, 280 plus pips. So a pretty good trade. But we'll more than likely wait for this 4 hour candle to close. And then, if this closes bullish, then, this is a chart that I'll be potentially going long on as well. So your AUD looking like a potential good opportunity. We do have this, small resistance right here, right? So, could also wait, on, on that breakout and then, try to go long on there. So that's a potential setup I'm looking at as well. So yeah, that's just my quick update on the Forex markets. We'll see how things play out as the week goes on. I know starting on Wednesday, we have a lot of fundamentals that'll be coming out, so we should get a lot of volatility this week. But I'll see you guys soon, and thank you for watching.